Hey guys, what if I tell you I only used 2 products for 28 days straight and it vanished my chapped lips? You don't believe me, right? Let me show you how. There can be many reasons for chapped lips like pollution, smoking, age factors, sun UV rays, etc. ALANNA Pro Kit comes with the world's first lip wash and a delicious lip butter mask. The lip wash is infused with alpha-arbutin and PHA lactobionic acid which lightens your lips. Apply it on your lips and massage it for 5 to 6 seconds. Exfoliate your lips with the exfoliating brush. Next step, rinse it off. Next, I follow it up with the Day Lip Butter Mask. It works magically in boosting collagen. It has exotic butters and palmitoyl tripeptide which makes your lip pink and plump. Bye-bye!